Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore reCAPTCHA configuration to fix signup forms step by step clearly. To restore reCAPTCHA configuration, begin by accessing your website's admin dashboard. Once logged in, locate the settings menu. Navigate to the section labeled plugins or extensions, depending on your platform. Find the reCAPTCHA plugin you are currently using. Click on the settings option for that plugin. Here, you'll want to verify your site and secret keys. If you have lost these keys, visit the Google reCAPTCHA website. Log in with the Google account you used to register your site. Once logged in, find your previously registered reCAPTCHA. Select it to view the site and secret keys. Copy these keys for later use. Return to your website's admin dashboard. Paste the site key into the designated field in the plugin settings. Next, paste the secret key into its respective field. Save your changes to apply the new configurations. Now, it's time to test the signup form. Open a new browser tab and go to your website's signup page. Fill in the form as a user would. Ensure that you can see the reCAPTCHA challenge. Complete the challenge and submit the form. Check if the form submission succeeds without errors. If the signup form works properly, the reCAPTCHA configuration is successfully restored. If problems persist, review any additional plugin settings that may affect the reCAPTCHA. Lastly, consider clearing your browser cache and refreshing the page to check for updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.